Hello friends, welcome to ExamDroid, your study partner. In this video, we will discuss most important days and themes of January 2021. This is a very important topic for all competitive exams, and almost in all exams, questions are asked about important days and their themes. So watch this video till the end. On January 1st, Global Family Day is celebrated. This is also named as One Day of Peace, and this day is celebrated in order to spread the message of peace, harmony and sharing. Next is World Braille Day. World Braille Day is observed on January 4th, and this is the birth anniversary of Louis Braille, the founder of Braille system, and this day recognizes the contribution of Louis Braille in helping blind and visually impaired people to read and write. Next is World Day of War Orphans. World Day of War Orphans is celebrated on January 6th, and this day aims to raise awareness about the children who have been orphaned due to wars. Next is Pravasi Bharatiya Divas or Non-Resident Indian Day. This is celebrated on January 9th, and for this year the theme was contributing to a Atmanirbhar Bharat. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is celebrated in order to mark the contribution of overseas Indian community to the development of the nation. Next is World Hindi Day. World Hindi Day is celebrated on January 10th, and this day celebrates the anniversary of the first World Hindi Conference that was held in Nagpur on January 10th, 1975. Next is National Human Trafficking Awareness Day. This is observed on January 11th, and this day is observed in order to raise awareness of the persistent issue of human trafficking. Next is National Youth Day. The birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda is observed as National Youth Day on January 12th, and this year the theme was channelizing youth power for national building. And this day is observed in order to make a better future of the country by motivating the youths. Next is Indian Army Day. Indian Army Day is celebrated on January 15th because on 15 January 1949, Field Marshal K.M. Cariappa was appointed as the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army. And Indian Army Day is observed in order to salute all the brave soldiers who gave their lives to protect our country. Next is National Disaster Response Force Raising Day. This day is celebrated on January 19th, and NDRF was formed on January 19, 2006. And this year NDRF observed the 16th NDRF Raising Day. Next is the Foundation Day of the three northeastern states, Tripura, Manipur and Meghalaya. On 20th January 1972, these three states are formed. So on January 21, the Foundation Day of Tripura, Manipur and Meghalaya is celebrated. Next is the birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. His birthday is celebrated as Parakram Divas on 23rd January. Next is National Girl Child Day. National Girl Child Day is celebrated on January 24th, and this day aims to increase awareness on the importance of girl education and their health and nutrition. Next is Uttar Pradesh Statehood Day. Uttar Pradesh Statehood Day is also celebrated on January 24th because on 24th January 1950 Uttar Pradesh was founded. Next is International Day of Education. International Day of Education is celebrated on January 24th, and this year the theme was Recover and Revitalize Education for the COVID-19 generation. Next is National Voters Day. National Voters Day is celebrated on January 25th, and this year the theme was Making Our Voters Empowered, Vigilant, Safe and Informed. Next is National Tourism Day. National Tourism Day is celebrated on January 25th, and this year the theme was Dekho Apna Desh. Next is Republic Day of India. Republic Day of India, as you know, is celebrated on January 26th, and this year India celebrated the 72nd Republic Day. Next is International Customs Day. International Customs Day is celebrated on January 26th, and for 2021 the theme was Customs Bolstering Recovery, Renewal and Resilience for a Sustainable Supply Chain. Next is International Holocaust Remembrance Day. This day is observed on January 27, and on this day, UNESCO pays tribute to the memory of the victims of the Holocaust. And for 2021, the theme was Facing the Aftermath, Recovery and Reconstitution After the Holocaust. Next is Martyrs' Day or Shahid Divas. This day is observed on January 30, and this day marks the death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. On this day in 1948, Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated by Nathuram Godse. Next is World Leprosy Day. In India, World Leprosy Day is celebrated in January 30 on Mahatma Gandhi's death anniversary. And the rest of the world celebrates Leprosy Day on the last Sunday of January. This day is observed in order to raise public awareness on leprosy, also known as Hansen's disease. That's all in this video. If you found this video helpful, like and share this video, and also subscribe to our channel Exam Duet so that you can receive daily current affair updates. Thank you.